What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to D's Rides. Today, everybody, we have a bit of Corvette news for you today. The good folks over at Corvette Blogger, they recently reported a few days ago, actually maybe a week or two ago, that there were going to be 3 colors that were going to be cut from the C8 lineup. Those colors were Sebring Orange, Zeus Bronze, and Shadow Gray for 2021. Now, as you all remember, GM expanded its color palette for the C8 from 10 colors to 12 colors. Now, those 3 colors that are being axed, you can still order them for a limited time. And if you go over and check out my boy Rick Corvette Conti, he laid this out in painstaking detail as far as when you need to order these cars by. I will make sure that I link his channel and his website below. So everyone has been anxiously awaiting on what colors they are actually going to come out with. They were wondering if they were going to choose some similar colors to the old ones, or were they just going to go in a completely new direction. So Corvette Blogger, they started doing some further research, and they believe that they have found the new internal color names and RPO codes for those colors. So here on the site, they ended up linking us to a European Corvette dealer's website. And what I had to do is, because once you go to this particular website, it is in what it looks like Czech. So in order to get this taken care of, show you something real quick, you can actually go to Google, and Google will actually translate foreign websites to English. So you just need to type in Google web page translator, hit Google Translate, go ahead and put in the URL code to that site and hit translate. And voila, there you have it. So here goes the site that is, let's go back here. This is the site in its native language, as you can see. And here you go with it in English. All right, everybody, so something very interesting about this site. So this car is going to be sold overseas in a very limited amount, of course, but it is going to also be a very specific trim level, as well as it's going to have some very specific options. Namely, one, it's only going to have the one optional element is going to be the front lift memory system. And it's only going to be in a 3LT. When we're going through these different colors, you will see that each of the packages that are available for this car is only a 3LT equipment package. And I understand why they do this. They want to make sure they have a cookie cutter template that they can send overseas. They don't want to deal with people wrangling around with different accessories and things of that nature. They want to go ahead, get that especially with the way things have been going with the supply chain. This way they can just build the car, have one option on it for the most part, which is the front lift system, and then they can just send that over and fire and forget. So I totally get why they did that. And they also constrained it a little bit more because there are only certain colors that you can get in both coupe and convertible. As I told you earlier, Corvette now has 12 different colors. However, in a coupe and convertible, you can only get 8 different colors, and they're not all the same. So in the coupe, you can only get that in Arctic White, Black, Accelerate Yellow, Ceramic Matrix Gray, Rapid Blue, Lake Blue Metallic, that's actually Elkhart Lake Blue, Torch Red, and a new color, the Hypersonic Gray Metallic. And as you can see right here, it says DJI paint is used in the image. And we all know that DJI is Shadow Gray Metallic. So that is what that color is replacing. So if we come back up here to the convertible, same way. You can only get it with the front memory lift system, and it has to be a 3LT package. And those colors are Torch Red, Here's the new orange, Amplify Orange Tint Coat. And as you can see here, it's saying that the color here that is pictured is Sebring Orange. Let me see, G26. That would in fact be Sebring Orange. Then you have Arctic White. Tactical Red Tint Coat, that is actually Red Mist. So if you look here, GPH is Red Mist Metallic. So that is what that actually is, but overseas they are calling it Tactical Red Tint Coat. Then of course you have your Flare Silver Metallic. Then you have Coffee Brown Metallic. As you can see here, brown exterior paint, GUI, that is of course our Zeus Bronze Metallic. Then you have once again Lake Blue Metallic, Elkhart Lake Blue, and then you have your Rapid Blue. Now, something that I don't get for the life of me is brown or Zeus Bronze and this Coffee Brown Metallic. Now, I knew that once this car came out and I saw this color, I knew that this color was not going to be around very long. It only lasted basically a model and a half year. And it's interesting to me that they're going to end up going with another brown. And so we don't know if it's going to be a darker brown or a lighter brown, but they are going with another brown. And it's just like Sterling Blue. That was another one of those colors that I knew once I saw that it was not going to be around for very long. So Corvette Blogger rightly pointed out when they said that 548 Corvettes were produced in Zeus Bronze, which represented 2.69 of all 2020 Corvettes produced, which had it in last place of all the exterior colors. It was just one of those colors that either you loved it or you hated it. And so it's very surprising to me that they want to bring Zeus Bronze or bring another brown car out. So we'll see how that sells. But everybody, I'd like to thank you for coming to the channel. Just wanted to hit you with that Corvette news real quick. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you like the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification button so each and every time I put out a video, you'll be notified. And as always, everyone, remember, everybody deployed, and I'm out.